Hey, you. Yeah, you. Watching this video right now. Why aren't you over on my Twitch channel, following me, watching me play Red Dead Redemption 2, or whatever game I feel like playing at the time? Go. Go follow me. Go now. I'll wait. Video will be here when you get back. Just go. So I was checking out the news and I saw this headline and I thought it was interesting and would share it with you guys. Impending galactic crash could rip open the black hole at the Milky Way's center.
That was scary.
Yeah, I know what you're thinking. That's kind of scary sounding. But, you know, what's it gonna do to us? Probably not a lot. But it's still an interesting read. The end of the Milky Way as we know it may come a few billion years ahead of schedule. According to a new paper published January 4th in the journal Monthly Notices of the Royal Astronomical Society, our home galaxy appears to be on a crash course with one of its nearest satellites. The spiral of stars known as the Large Magellanic Cloud, or LMC. This would make two things we're on a collision course for. The LMC and the Andromeda Galaxy. Yeah, that sounds like fun. This cosmic crash, modeled in lovely and terrifying detail by a team of astrophysicists at Durham University in the UK, could begin as soon as 2 billion years from now. Roughly 2 to 3 billion years sooner than the long-anticipated collision between the Milky Way and its nearest cosmic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. So yeah, we may, that doomsday clock of ours, yeah, we may just want to tweak it just a tad on the galactic scale. While the LMC boasts of only about 1/20th the solar mass of the Milky Way galaxy, the collision would nevertheless leave permanent scars on both galaxies, igniting once dormant black holes, flinging stars quadrillions of miles out of orbit and staining the sky with crackling cosmic radiation. Kinda like blending two jars of sand art into one. That's actually a pretty good analogy. The destruction of the Large Magellanic Cloud as it is devoured by the Milky Way will wreak havoc with our galaxy, Marcus Cotton, lead study author and postdoctoral fellow at Durham University's Institute for Computational Cosmology, said in a statement. But the question is, what will it do to Earth? Because let's face it, we're more concerned with Earth than the entirety of the galaxy at the moment. So yeah, that's kind of key. What will happen to us? Galactic collisions are a common occurrence in the surprisingly crowded infinity of space, and scientists are getting pretty good at modeling how fresh mergers might play out. Using a supercomputer collision simulator called Eagle, the Durham team modeled several possible scenarios for the impending Milky Way LMC merger. What will change for our galaxy? For starters, the colliding LMC would likely pour loads of fresh gas and stars into the black hole at the center of the Milky Way, breathing fresh life into the once sleeping giant. Don't worry. Just because there's a black hole doesn't mean it's going to get us. I know there's some people out there that worry about every little thing, and they'll hear black hole at the center of the universe. Oh shit. Calm down. According to Cotton and colleagues, such a collision could bulk up the black hole to about 8 times its current size, possibly even turning it into a quasar, one of the brightest objects in the universe, which occurs when a supermassive black hole sucks in and spits out blazing celestial matter at near light speed. I could make a joke about the sucking and spitting, but yeah, I'm not. I'm gonna keep it clean. Just let your minds go where they may. Should this happen, the stars that currently call the Milky Way's galactic center home will sadly have to yield the neighborhood they know and love to a new population of cosmic immigrants from the LCM. LMC. They mistyped that. According to the researchers, many stars will be sucked into the growing black hole at the galactic center. Other stars, reacting to all the extra mass pouring into their neighborhood, could be flung headlong into interstellar space, quadrillions of miles away. And let's be honest, some of them that wouldn't be far enough to get away from their asshole neighbors. Yeah. It's called Star Wars for a reason. Yes, I know it's stupid. But, regarding all this, don't worry about it. It's not going to happen in our lifetime. So just prepare your descendants in the future. Prepare them just in case. Fortunately for any descendants you might leave 2 billion years from now, only a few stars inhabiting the general region of Earth's sun will be affected by the merger, the authors wrote. Researchers predicted that any risk to life on Earth is very unlikely, and on the brighter side, the Milky Way's brand new quasar could actually treat future Earthlings to a spectacular display of cosmic fireworks. According to study co-author Carlos Frank, director of the Institute for Computational Cosmology at Durham. Yeah, what people tend to forget is that even like when the Andromeda Galaxy collides with ours, humans on Earth probably won't notice. Simply because there's so much distance between planets and stars and solar systems that the odds of a collision of actually like two planets colliding, or a planet and a star, that sort of thing, not really that good. That the odds of them hitting, not really that high. So, yeah. No real worries. Basically a light show in 2 billion years. Other than that, no real biggie. But yeah, like I said, I saw the headline. Just thought you guys would be interested in it. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.